Alright team, if everyone could please gather around, I have something very interesting to show all of you. We have a brand new printer in our arsenal from AM, right? If you think these printers are big, brace yourself, because this brand new product that we have on the South African market is definitely going to knock your socks off. So this is the amazing GoPrinter from AM. And believe it or not, it's handheld. So what does that mean? You just need to swipe and print anywhere you want. Well, the kicker is similar products online are going for about 10,000. Well, AM has got it for half of that price at 4,999. And we are getting it for as little as 2,999. And why? Because it's available on pre-order. And it's available now. So let's go check it out. So in our box, we get our GoPrinter, our charger, our lithium-ion battery, our guardrail, our dry black cartridge, and a stylus so that you can touch the screen without using your fingers. The features include a full touch screen which allows you to type in whatever text you want, as well as add automatic dates, serial numbers, or even barcodes so you can print in sequential order. It also includes a USB flash drive input, so all you got to do is just plug in your flash drive, then you go into the menu, load whatever picture you have there, and then you can go to print. But keep in mind you can only print one color at a time because we have one color cartridges in at a time. So each cartridge comes with two nozzles. In case one gets blocked, you can either use the left or right one to carry on printing. And when you take it out, it also comes with a protective cover. Besides the black ink cartridges, we also get them in a variety of other colors, such as blue, green, white, yellow, and red. Now, these cartridges come in two distinct types of ink. You've got dry and blot. Well, what does that mean? Let me tell you. So, you have got something called adsorption and absorption, and you got to consider these two different types before you start applying to the surface. So adsorption is for surfaces like metal where you need it to dry quickly on the surface, and then you got absorption, which is for surfaces like cardboard to absorb into. So now that you know those two different types, you know which one to get. To change this cartridge, all you need to do is go ahead and switch off your printer, remove the cartridge, place the protective cover back on, and then get your new cartridge and just go ahead and pop it back in and switch it back on, and you're ready to go. Here you can make use of the guide if necessary for the accuracy, or for the speed with relative accuracy you can just go handheld, and it will print on any surface just like a permanent marker. All you have to do is press it on the surface, press the button, and then just go along as you hear the beep and it will print. And you can print to a maximum height of 12.7 millimeters with a width of 2 meters long. You can use blot on metal or hard surfaces. It will just take a little bit longer to dry, so you mustn't touch it, it might smudge. And then the dry, you can also use that on cardboard. It'll just be a little bit lighter in color because it's not absorbing. Super easy and super quick. Well, that's pretty cool, guys. So, any questions you have for me on this machine?
So, if we pre-order and the delivery takes too long, can we cancel that pre-order?
The delivery time, if it is too long and you want to cancel, yes, you can, and they will refund you.
So why is it so cheap? It sounds like they're losing money.
Well, yes, on pre-order they do actually lose money. What they're trying to do is just gain market and see whether or not someone is actually interested in buying it before selling it at full price like everyone else.
And where do we get the ink from?
You can buy it from AM only. If you do find it somewhere else, you're probably going to overpay because AM's price is a really good deal.
So how much is the ink?
The price has not been set yet, but they do promise me that it's going to be only a few $100, nothing more than 1,000, which in my opinion is a very good deal for the ink.
And how long does the battery last?
Battery life, we're not so sure yet. The best answer I can give you is that we've been testing this for 2 weeks now, straight and just printing on anything I could possibly find to print on, and it's still got full battery.
Is it heavy?
Is it heavy? No, I definitely think it's very light. A kid could use this at school with ease. It is definitely lighter than the Yellow Pages.
Does it come with warranty?
Yes, it does come with warranty, and it's 3 months.
So just tell me, can we share this video?
Well guys, did I say anything confidential?
No.
Well, if not, let's share the video.
The all-new GoPrinter from am.co.za. Don't miss out. Call sales to place your pre-order today.
I want a tattoo. Hey!
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with am.co.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.